I have this Dr. Thunder left over from the last video. I'm going to go ahead and shoot it with my Go Tip Velocity 340 with a 100 grain Muzzy Trochord broadhead. Total arrow weight is 340 grains, or excuse me, 394 grains. See, I've got it written right there, 394 grains. Shooting out of my Mathews VXR 28. Set a 75-pound pull, 28.5-inch draw length. I've chronoed this arrow, and I've got it at 298 feet a second. So let's go and pop this soda. First off, let's give it a good shake. Here we go. Good and foamy. Let's go have some fun. So I'm gonna have to redo the legs on my little thing there, because as you can see, I caught the leg. It came out of the soda. It came out of the Dr. Thunder a little low. And there she's buried in the wood. Oh, got damage done to the blade too. Damage. Sorry for the noise, but I don't know if you can see it. Big old sucker flying over right there. Anyway, appreciate you watching.